So market has been in a range, in an 80-point range. Of course, the NASDAQ Futures market, that's what we are talking about, that's what we trade. In an 82-point range since yesterday's opening. We have our entry level, support resistance zones. And right here at the middle of that range, we have our minor entry level. We took a trade few minutes, a few candles afterwards, and I love doing this to see what guys you think. Okay, Ra is going to probably is gonna buy, he's going to sell. Sometimes I don't know what the heck he is doing, but we took a trade. It was awesome. Check it out. And here yesterday I finished my 3 trades, and of course I went again to the beach to watch the beautiful sunset. Yesterday we didn't have that much luck. We had a cloud here. It's raining. You can see the rain right there, right in our sunset path. But I did manage to take a video, an interesting video. I'm gonna put it at the end of this video so you can see it. I did saw the sunset. I mean, the sun kind of appeared beside of the rain, and actually I wasn't expecting it. I could watch the green flash of light. You don't know what the green flash of light is? Look it up. I hope one day you could see that as well. I've been a sailor most of my life, well, at least my adult life, and I've seen many sunsets. This is like the 5th green flash of light that I have seen. It's pretty rare. You have to be perfect conditions. Yesterday was not the best day to watch the sunset, but anyway, it was a beautiful and a blessed afternoon. So yeah, this is where I was yesterday. And well, okay, coming back, we took a trade. Guess which way? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you again later. I hope you enjoy it. Hello everyone, Rasen here, Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Friday, March 28th, 2025, last day of the month. Well, actually, no, we have Monday, which is March 31st. And if we want to count Sunday, because we all know futures market open Sundays at 6 in the afternoon, that'll be March 30th. So yeah, my bad. Okay, anyway, it's 2:36 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and we are here trading the NASDAQ Futures June 2025 contract. We have a 15-minute chart here to the left. We have a 1-hour chart to the right, and I just placed a sell order right at 19,989. Let's see. Yeah, anyway. Oh, 89.50. Sorry, I apologize. 19,989.50. 25. Wow, anyway, 25, yeah. Okay, and here is the thing. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, market has been dropping. Yesterday was a very bearish day. Today it shouldn't be no different. Actually, let me check. I forgot to check the news. I mean, usually there are no news at this time in the morning, but let's see here what we have. Okay, we have Okay. We have here up at 8:30, of course, PCE price index, and that's all we have for the day. I'm gonna be careful around 8:30, even though I'm not that worried. This is gonna be kind of a all-day trade, and you would say, but that's not the usual saint that we see here. No, it's not. But I mean, I'm not only gonna be taking trades in this channel, but I'm gonna be explaining a little bit of why I am taking those decisions. Okay, and here is what we have right now. Okay, since yesterday evening, market has been on a range. We have here a previous take profit level. We have another take profit level. Our market has been ranging around those levels. I mean, since yesterday's opening. So we have that range. We have a main entry level. I'm not gonna even consider that. That shouldn't be a factor into today's trading. It could, but I'm not expecting that. Remember, I do market projections, not market predictions. Okay, they're totally different things. Anyway, market has been on a sideways market. I like to call this like a crab market, right? Because crabs move sideways. We have the bullish to the upside, we have the bearish to the downside, and I just, for fun, I just call it a crab market. Market doing taking highs, then taking lows, then taking more lows, then taking more highs. Eventually they will move out of that range. Why did I sold the market? I mean, market came here really close to that. Let me erase this 1 minute, okay? So because those take profit levels, I use them for another reference. So let's do it properly here. We have this big range. This should be a no trade zone. Okay, market could keep I mean, who knows how long they're gonna be just going up and down. We did really good yesterday, and if you watch the previous video, you're gonna know what I'm talking about. This week has been really awesome. Not that I like taking losses, but in this specific case, we're gonna have a stop loss of about 30-40 point max. Okay, and that's a lot of money, but with all the profits that we have from this week, I can afford to lose those 80 points. Of course, I am not thinking about losing those points. On the contrary, I have a big let me put it here. Okay, big support zone. Okay, big support zone. There we have it. We have also, and I'm just gonna call it another I don't know how to call it, so I'm just gonna put another support zone. Second double confirmation. We also have, I do not use this, but we have it there. I have it as reference. Some of my students like using them, but I don't care about those. I just put them as reference. So we have a daily support level right here. That's an indicator. You know, I don't like using indicators, but anyway. And so we have here a potential stop of, let's say, 25 points. Okay, I would really consider closing my position if market breaks above that. I don't want to say it's a sideways channel, but it's the range where market has been most of since yesterday's opening, and I am expecting a big red day today as well. We have a small support zone here. This blue area is kind of that range zone, but eventually it's highly probable that market will break that range zone and then go towards this big support zone. Are they gonna do it in the next 2 hours? I don't know. Are they gonna do it at market opening? I don't know. Are they gonna do it when high impact news come out? I don't know. What I do know is the probability of market pushing towards this zone. It's very high. This is my opinion and my opinion only, okay? Don't go saying that Rasset market was gonna go down. No. Don't blame me for your losses or your gains even. I'm not gonna say, hey, I have students that make so much money. No, I teach them my legacy futures trading strategy. They adapt it to their trading style and they do their own thing. They're like, oh, Ra, thank you so much. You've changed my life. No, you changed your life by studying what I taught you. So anyway, and it's like me. I could thank a few people. I thank over everyone. I thank the Lord for providing me with the knowledge to make a living out of this wonderful world of trading. This is not for everyone. Not everyone has the passion that some of us has to work the markets. But anyway, leaving that aside, we have, I'm gonna put one floating order. We're in at 89.25, we said. 89.50. Okay, and to the end of that range zone we have 58 points. So one contract we might close it with 50 points. That's gonna be $1,000. Then I would move my stop loss. I'm telling my projections of how I'm gonna manage this trade. Then I'm gonna let the other contract run because we still have a lot of points left. We have that entry and 99.25. You know what? 89.25. No. 99 minus 5. Let's say 99.25. Okay. 99.25. That's gonna be 90 more points. Let me grab this. Control paste. We have swap. One take profit at 55. And I mean, I'm so tempted to close this trade right now. Why? Because you know I like looking for 10 to 15 points. I already have 30 points right there. It's Friday. It's 2:47 in the morning. Ra, why are you doing this to yourself? You can't go back to sleep. I surely could try, but more than probably I'm not gonna be able to. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna grab 50 points with one contract here. That's gonna be $1,000. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even plus one. I'm gonna be following this. I'm gonna be trailing, stopping this 15-minute chart, and let's see how many more points I can grab out of this beautiful move. I would love to take 99.25, 99.25 there, 50 and 90 point respectively. So this is gonna be even better than yesterday's trade, and that was a huge trade. Yeah, it's just a matter of market breaking this small support zone, then we could see just a continuation to the downside, at least towards the end of this sideways or crab zone. That's what I'm gonna call it, the crab zone. And I just crab zone. But yeah, don't look those into any trading lingo dictionary, because more than probably you're not gonna find it. Anyway, yeah, that's it. See the importance of those entry levels. But right, you have a main entry level way up here. Isn't that strong? The strongest level? Yeah, but market has a very specific way of behaving, of moving. It's called price action. You're not gonna learn this anywhere, because each market has its own price action. I cannot say this enough times for you to get it into your brain that each market has its own price action. Even other indexes that they kind of follow each other, they will have their own price action. I used to trade the E-mini. Maybe you know that, maybe you're just finding out right now. But yeah, I used to trade the E-mini, and it has a very specific price action. It's similar to the NASDAQ, but it's definitely it has a very distinguished differences. We're into 43 points right now. There we go. Market taking high. You see how what I mean? They took the high. They took all the previous highs. They're taking all the previous lows, and they should continue. Come on, baby. This is gonna be huge, I'm telling you. Okay, I'm 16 minutes into this. You know what? Robert, why are you going to do that? No. Yeah. I'm gonna close this trade. I wanna go to sleep with a huge big smile on my face. Ka-ching! Target filled, and they should keep on going. And I mean, I would have loved to have that was a 140 point trade. That would have been $2,800. No, actually no. 50 and 90, that's 140, and 140 times 2, there we go. 140 times 2, that's 28, and 28 times 2, that's a $5,000 trade if I would have held it. But you know what? Don't get greedy. I mean, trading plan, trading goals, I am super okay with grabbing 10 to 15 points per trade, and you have seen the results. This week results, it's been awesome. there should be another word for awesome. But yeah, I'm done. Now you know what's coming up, and bear with me. Let's do this together. Text a marker, and check out at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna let you guess where I went yesterday. Check it out. I thought it was gonna take more time, but apparently they are following our market analysis and saying, well, Ra said they were gonna go to 39.25. Okay, let's go there. Nah, I don't believe that myself, but anyway. All right, we have here NQ, sell, setup, pop. We have N3. We have two contracts at 19,989.25. Pop. We have target. We have two contracts at 19,957.25. Market hitting my take profit target right now. I left ¿cuánto? 20 more points on the table, 40 more points on the table, 800 more points. But you know what? I'm super happy. That's the most important thing of having a trading plan and having a trading goal. Of course, besides having a proven strategy that you know from your memory. You can close your eyes, open your eyes, just watch a chart and say, I project that market is gonna do this and this because of this. That's what a trading strategy is about. Okay. Okay, 57 and 89. We have 57, 67, 77, 87, 32 point pop. And I like looking for, total trade. We have 32 times 2, that's 64 point, which equals 64, that's 12. Is it? Yeah, that's 32, 64, 12, 8. Let me make sure I'm correct. That should be 1,280 bucks. 64 times 20. Yep. I'm not gonna complain. I'm a little bit like frustrated with myself because, man, Ryan, you had it right there. Market did exactly what you said it was gonna do. It was just a free fall, easy following, but I have to say to myself, you did awesome. You have your trading plan, you have your trading goals, and you took way more than you usually look for. It's Friday, it's gonna be 3 in the morning and you're done. I don't want to be done. I love doing this. But anyway, 20 points per NASDAQ point. And some friends are gonna say, bro, you need to put more energy into your trade, into your videos. Well, it's 3 in the morning, okay? I don't know how much energy you have at 3 in the morning, but I'm still happy and grateful. Again, thank you, Lord, for what you have, what we have learned, and for the opportunity of and the blessings of being able to do this. All right, so that is it. Check out in the last hour, market almost retested that high, and I'm right now in the 1 hour chart. Okay, market push to the upside. We have a small resistance zone here. Market hit that resistance zone by the tick, and then boom to the end of the range zone by the tick, at least right now. So what a wonderful week this has been. I hope you're having an awesome trading week as well. And leave me in the comments what you think about this video, what you would have done in my position. Would you have closed the trade earlier, later? Would you have risked that amount of points? I mean, let me know. Let me know what your trading style is, and yeah, let's. I'll talk about that. Oh, here they go. Wow, beautiful. They're surely gonna reach that zone throughout the London morning session. But anyway, am I complaining? Maybe a little bit, but I shouldn't. And that's it. Okay, 5-minute chart we have here. Up and up. Alrighty, I'll see you later. Comment, share, hit the bell. I mean, you know all the things that you should be doing when following a YouTube channel. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching. And if you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Rasaint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching!